Oh no. Starting. Dora. Alina. Cole. Valerie. Julian. Isabella. Gwen Corbin. Class. So today we're doing a test. Okay, so we're doing a test for it. So yeah. So I got started? Yeah. So how are you guys? Good. So guess what? In the weekend, guess what? Guillermo put hot sauce on everyone's for Buzz grounded, but now it's over. That's right. So yeah. Hey, no scream sneezing in class. That's it. No suspect. That's it. Guillermo, go to the principal's office right now and you just scream sneezing. Hello, Guillermo. How you do? How are you telling something? I just scream sneeze at a teacher. Oh. Guillermo, how I can't believe you did a scream sneeze at the teacher. That's it. At Miss Martin. That's it. I'm calling your parents. Now go home. Now call your parents. Hello, Mr. Boris. Hello. Guess what? Go and just scream sneeze at the teacher. What? Oh no. Okay. Oh no, I got it. I need to give it. I am the spot. Whoa. Guillermo, how dare you scream and sneeze at a teacher? You're screaming, aren't you? That's not a good choice. Absolutely no scream sneezing. That's it, Guillermo. You're now grounded for 5 years. Now go back to your room, Guillermo.